Hello everyone. Good afternoon everyone. How was going your days? Good. Very good. You are looking very energetic. Very good. Okay. Today we will learn. Today which subject I will teach you? EVS. Okay. Today we will learn good habits. What we will learn? Good habit. Okay. First, get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Okay. You get up early or late? You get up early or late in the morning? Early? Yes, then it's very good. Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Okay? Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Every day we have to get up early in the morning. Second, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. What? Brush your teeth twice a day. How you will brush your teeth? Up, down, right, left, up, down, right, left, but slowly. Okay? Don't make noise and don't brush hard. Okay? You have to brush your teeth twice a day. After getting up, brush your teeth and before going to bed. Before going to bed. After getting up in the morning, you have to brush your teeth and before going to bed. Okay, and how you will brush your teeth? Up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. After and don't brush hard. Okay, without making noise, you have to brush your teeth slowly so that germs will run away. And your teeth will shine white. What? Your teeth will shine white. And then it will make music. Teeth will make music. Choo like this music. Okay. First point is you have to get up early in the morning. Second, brush your teeth twice a day. That means first in the morning and second before going to bed. Okay. First point is get up early in the morning and second is brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. After that, third point is take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Okay. Take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. So that all the germs and dust will run away from your body and you look clean. Okay? Get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day in the morning and before going to bed. Okay, and third point is take a bath daily. Okay, take a bath daily. Pray to God. Pray in front of God. Fourth good habit is pray in front of God daily. Okay, pray in front of God daily. Pray in front of God daily. Pray in front of God daily so that you remain healthy and wise. Okay, so that you remain healthy. Okay, so that you remain healthy. Okay, pray to God daily. Pray to God daily. Pray to God daily. Okay. First point is get up early in the morning. Second good habit is brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed. Okay. And third good habit is take a bath daily. Okay. Fourth good habit is pray in front of God. Daily you have to pray in front of God so that you remain healthy. Okay. After that, fifth good habit is drink clean water. Drink clean water every day. Drink clean water every day. You have to drink clean water. Okay, clean water. You have to drink clean water every day. What you have to do? You have to drink clean water, not dirty water. You have to drink clean water. Okay. Then after that, next good habit is comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb your hair properly so that you look very beautiful. Comb your hair properly. Comb your hair properly so that you look beautiful. Girls will look beautiful and boys will look handsome. Okay. Comb your hair daily and properly. Comb your hair properly. The next good habit is wash your hand after each meal. Wash your hand with water and soap or hand wash after each meal. Okay, before meal and after meal. Before eating meal and after eating meal, you have to wash your hand properly with soap, water and hand wash. Okay. How you will wash your hand? Like this. Okay. Till 20 seconds. You have to wash your hands with soap, water or hand wash. Before and after each meal. Before and after each meal, you have to wash your hand with water, soap or hand wash. The next point is we have throw the garbage in dustbin. Throw the garbage in dustbin. Where you have to throw garbage? In dustbin. What you have to do? Throw. Look, this is your dustbin. So you have to throw your garbage here and there? No. We have to throw garbage in dustbin. Where you have to throw your garbage? In dustbin. This is good habit. If you throw your garbage here and there, it is good habit? No. It is bad habit. So where we have to throw garbage? In dustbin. Okay. Don't throw here and there. throw in dustbin. Throw garbage in dustbin. Where you will throw garbage? In dustbin. Garbage or any waste paper or any waste thing. Where you have to throw? You have to throw in dustbin. Not here and there you are throwing. No. Not like this. You have to throw only in dustbin. Understand? This is good habit. If you throw here or there, it is bad habit. So we are good children. So we have to do good habits, not bad habits. If you do bad habits, then everybody say, oh, it's a bad boy. No, we are a good girl and good boy. So we have to do good habits. Okay. First point is get up early in the morning. Second point is brush your teeth twice a day. First in the morning and second before going to bed. Third good habit is bath daily. We have to take a bath daily. Okay. Fourth good habit is pray in front of God daily so that God keep you healthy. So that God keep you healthy and your family also, you also. So good habit. It is good habit to pray in front of God. Next good habit is drink clean water. Always drink clean water. Don't drink dirty water. Okay. Always drink clean water. Comb your hair properly. What? Comb your hair properly so that you look beautiful and handsome. How you look? Beautiful and handsome. After that, good habit is throw garbage only in dustbin. Throw garbage only in dustbin. What we have to do? We have to throw garbage only in dustbin. Okay. Then after, don't eat junk food. Junk food, you know? What is junk food? Pizza, burger, this is our junk foods and it is not good for our health. It is good for our health? No. So we don't eat junk food. So don't eat junk food. We have to eat only healthy foods so that we remain fit and fine. Okay, and you enjoy all the days. You enjoy all the days like sports, dance, and you getting energetic power for reading, learning. Okay, if you not eat healthy food, then you will become sick and doctor will come and give you one injection or medicines. Medicines are not good now. Yeah, I don't like medicine to eat. So I eat always only healthy food. I don't eat junk food. So you also don't eat junk food. Eating junk food is bad habit, not good habit. Okay, junk food is bad habit. Don't eat junk food. Okay. Then now next good habit is always wear clean uniform. Whenever you go to school, you have to wear clean uniform. Okay, you have to wear clean uniform. The next good habit is cut your nail. Cut your nails. Okay, what? Cut your nails. Don't cut yourself. Tell your mother or your elder sister to cut your nails so that germs does not go in your stomach. Okay, if you don't cut your nails now and you eat food, all germs will go in your nail and with the help of food, the germs will go in your stomach and you become sick. Okay, so cut your nails regularly. Cut your nails regularly. Okay, after that, switch off the fan and light whenever not required. If you are at room, so it's okay. Fan is going on, light is on, it's okay. And if you are not in the room or not in the house or your hall, so switch off the fan, switch off the light, then you go out. Okay. If it is not required, switch off the fan and switch off the light. Okay. Then respect your elders. Respect your elders. Okay. We have to respect our elders. A mother, father, grandpa, grandma. Okay. We have to respect them. We have to respect our grandparents, mother, father, a sister. Okay. We have to respect them. We have to respect our elders. Okay. Again we will repeat some good habits. Get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed. Take a bath daily. Okay, you have to take a bath daily. Pray in front of God. You have to pray in front of God daily so that God keep you healthy. Okay. Drink clean water. Always drink clean water. Comb your hair properly. Comb your hair properly. Throw garbage only in dustbin. Throw garbage only in dustbin. Don't eat junk food. Okay, don't eat junk food. Otherwise, it is not good for health. Okay, then after that, cut your nails regularly. Cut your nails regularly. Don't cut yourself. Okay, ask your elder, ask your parents to cut your nails. Don't cut yourself. Okay. Switch off the light when not in use. Switch off the light when not in use. Always listen to your elders. Respect elders. What? We have to respect our elders. Okay. The next good habit is, when you cough, sneeze, so cover your nose with your handkerchief. Okay. Whenever you have cough, cold or you sneeze, so cover your nose with your handkerchief. You have no handkerchief, so cover your nose with your handkerchief and say sorry. What you will say? Sorry. Like this. Achhi. I'm sorry. Okay. What you will say? I'm sorry or excuse me. What you will say? Sorry or excuse me. What you will say? Sorry or excuse me. This is a good habit. Whenever cough, sneeze, so cover your mouth with your handkerchief and say sorry or excuse me. Go to bed on time at night. At night you have to sleep not so late. Okay, you have to sleep on time. Go to bed on time. It is a good habit. Okay, which good habit is this? You have to go to bed on time, not so late at 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock or 2 o'clock. No, at night. You have to sleep on time. Okay, understand? You will follow this. You are a good children. Okay, so you have to follow all good habits. Then everybody will say, oh, what a good children. How good habits they have. Okay, now we will repeat again. Okay, what we have learned today? We have learned today good habits. What we have learned today? good habits. First good habit is get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. First good habit is get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. First in the morning and second before going to bed. Okay. Next good habit is take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Pray to God. Pray to God. Okay. Daily you have to pray to God. Drink clean water. Drink clean water. Okay. You have to drink clean water. Comb your hair properly. Comb your hair properly. Wash your hands before and after each meal. Wash your hands before and after each meal. Then next good habit is avoid junk food. What? You have to avoid junk food so that you remain healthy. So that you remain healthy. Okay. Next good habit is cut your nails. What? Cut your nails. Not yourself. Tell your parents to cut your nails. Okay? Cut your nails regularly. Cut your nails regularly. Switch off the light when not in use. When not in use, switch off the fan and switch off the light. Okay? When not in use. If it in use, you can on. If it is not in use, you have to switch off the light and fans before going out of the room. The next good habit is respect your elders. Respect your elders. We have to listen our elders and we have to respect them. What? We have to listen our elders and we have to respect them. The next good habit is when you cough, sneeze or cover your nose and mouth with handkerchief. When you have cough and cold or you sneeze, cover your nose and mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with handkerchief and say sorry or excuse me. What you will say? Sorry or excuse me. Go to bed on time at night. 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 Okay. Today we have learned so many good habits. Oh, one more I have forgot to tell you. Throw garbage only in dustbin. Well, throw garbage only in dustbin. Okay. So follow this good habit. You are a good children now. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.